we will see the standard continuous time signals. Now let's move on to the next concept, that will be the standard discrete time signals. In this standard discrete time signals also we will have the different type of signals. The first signal be the unit step signal. First signal be unit step signal. This unit step signal is represented with u of n. Represented with u of n. In generally, for continuous time signals, the representation be like this. For continuous time signals, the representation be x of t. Here t be the independent variable. And next, for discrete time signals, for discrete time signals, the representation be x of n. These two things you have to remember. Now let's move on to the concept. In the continuous time signals, we will be represented this unit step signal be the u of t, and here in the discrete unit step signal we have to represent it with u of n. So the plot be like this. This will be the u of n, and here n be the independent variable. 0, the magnitude be the 1 for the unit step signal. If you want to represent this unit step signal by the representation form, the representation be like this: u of n, that will be equal to 1 for n greater than or equal to 0, and that will be equal to 0 for n less than or equal to 0. Here you can observe this will be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here this will be the -1, -2, -3 and here so on. Here one thing you can observe, there will be no values or no signal will be presented here. Here this will be the empty only. This will become the 0. This 0 we have to take in here for n less than or equal to 0. For n greater than or equal to 0, greater than means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Here the amplitude be the the magnitude be the 1 for n greater than or equal to 0. Similarly, if you want to take the u of n minus 1, what will happen to the plot? Let's see. U of n minus 1. So this will be the u of n minus 1. This will be the n. Here what you have to do, first step, take in the bracket value will be equal to 0. That means n minus 1 will be equal to 0. Here n minus 1, that will be equal to 0. N is equal to how much? N is equal to 1. That means your plot will be started at n is equal to 1. Here you can observe, you can see our plot will get started at here only. And if you see from here, this will be the 0, this will be the 1, and this will be the 2, and this will be the 3, and this will be the 4, and so on. The plot will be started here, not here. This will be the magnitude be the 1. Here this will be the general unit step signal. This will be the shifted unit step signal. For example, if you take in place of 1, if you take be the k, what will happen? It will be shifted n is equal to k. Okay, let's see some quick examples based on this unit step signal. For example, if you take example u of n minus 3, what will happen to the representation as well as the plot? Let's see. Here this will be the u of n minus 3. Here this will be the independent variable n. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Here also -1, -2, -3, and here also so on. The representation for the u of n, what will happen? U of n, that will be equal to 1 for n greater than or equal to 0, and 0 for n less than or equal to 0. In place of n, what we have to put? We have to put the n minus 3. So here, if you put the in place of n minus 3, then this will be the 1 for n minus 3 greater than or equal to 0, and 0 for n minus 3 less than or equal to 0. And here this will be the 1 and n greater than or equal to 3, and 0 for n less than or equal to 3. So that means here our plot will be started at here. If you take, this will be the n minus 3, taken the bracket value will be equal to 0, n minus 3 equal to 0, n is equal to how much? N is equal to 3. Okay, so this will be our shifted version. For this -3, -2, -1, 0, this will be the 0 only. Here you can't get any signal. You can take it as 0. And here one thing you can observe. You will be imagine that your plot will be started at -3, but it will be started at +3. That means there will be a delay will be happen. This will be said to be the delay. Now let's see the one more question based on this discrete unit step signal. That will be the, if I want to place n plus 3, what will happen? So here also what will happen? This will become the u of n plus 3. Here n plus 3, here n plus 3, n plus 3. Here what will happen? Let's see. First thing what we have to do, taken the bracket value will be equal to the 0. That means n plus 3, that will be equal to 0. N is equal to how much? That will be the minus 3. Our plot will be started at minus 3. This will be the plot. So here, if you think your plot will be get started at plus 3, but it will be started at minus 3. That means here what will happen? This will be the advancing. So here, if you want to substitute, that will be the 1 for n greater than or equal to minus 3 and 0 for n less than or equal to minus 3. This type of questions will be so simple only. Why I am solving this type of questions means, whenever we solving the unit impulse signal, in that impulse signal we are using this type of relationship between the unit step and the unit impulse signal. There we can using this shifting phenomena very well. There you will get then one formula that will be very important for your GATE examination point of view. Thank you.